Doing this will make your car brakes last longer. Are your brakes squealing like a banshee? Tired of replacing them every other year? We're about to reveal simple, yet effective tips to drastically extend the life of your car's braking system. Let's dive in. Your car's brakes are a complex system. They rely on friction to slow you down. Understanding the components and how they work together is crucial for proper maintenance. Brake pads press against rotors, creating friction. This friction generates heat, which wears down the pads and rotors over time. Calipers house the brake pads and use hydraulic pressure to apply them. Aggressive driving is a brake killer. Hard braking and rapid acceleration put immense stress on the system. Smooth, predictable driving is key to longevity. Avoid tailgating. This forces you to brake suddenly and frequently. Maintain a safe following distance to anticipate traffic flow. Regular brake inspections are essential. Check your brake pads for wear and tear. Listen for unusual noises like squealing or grinding. Keep your brake fluid clean. Contaminated fluid can damage brake components. Flush and replace your brake fluid according to your car's maintenance schedule. Coasting can significantly reduce brake wear. Instead of slamming on the brakes, anticipate stops and let your car slow down naturally. This minimizes friction and heat. Downshifting can also help slow your car. Use lower gears to control your speed on hills. This reduces the need for heavy braking. Not all brake pads are created equal. Opt for high-quality brake pads that are designed for your vehicle. Consider ceramic or semi-metallic pads for better performance and longevity. Research different brands and read reviews. Investing in quality brake pads can save you money in the long run. They often last longer and provide better stopping power. Extending the life of your brakes is easier than you think. By adopting smarter driving habits, performing regular maintenance, and choosing the right components, you can save money and improve your car's safety. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your best brake-saving tips? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. And if you're ready to upgrade your brake pads, check out the links in the description for our top recommendations.